Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We've started off Sunday with thunderstorms still going on over parts of the northwest, Free State, and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. And we also have a few fog patches which should go away very quickly over parts of the western interior, as well as parts of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo provinces. Now, we are going to see stormy weather spilling into the eastern areas of the Northern Cape by late this afternoon, and the storms will also spread into much of eastern South Africa and push down into KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern half of the Eastern Cape. It will be mostly sunny for the Northern and Western Cape provinces. Tonight, we continue to see stormy weather across much of eastern South Africa, and it will stay dry for the western sections. Now, up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms can be expected this Sunday for much of eastern South Africa, where you see the dark shades of blue, but the chance of thunderstorms will be less in the areas highlighted by the lighter shades of blue. Just a 20% chance of drizzle can be expected for parts of the south coast. Now, you will need to watch out for severe thunderstorms expected to produce large hail and damaging winds this Sunday for much of the KwaZulu-Natal interior and the northeastern sections of the Eastern Cape. A warning is also in place for high fire danger conditions across the central areas of the Northern Cape, extending down into the Little Karoo in the Western Cape. Now, we are going to see isolated to scattered thunderstorms this Sunday for much of northeastern South Africa, where warm to hot afternoon temperatures are expected. Highs in the mid-20s around Mahikeng and Pretoria, hotter for Tawazimbi and Bombela, with top temperatures in the lower 30s. We are going to see stormy weather as well for much of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Bishop warming to around 28 degrees, hotter for Pietermaritzburg with a top temperature of 30 degrees. Thundershowers are also forecast for the KwaZulu-Natal and Eastern Cape coastal areas, except for Port Elizabeth, where partly cloudy skies are expected and a warm 26 for the top temperature. Light to moderate winds are forecast for these coastal areas, but a fresh northeasterly is forecast around Richards Bay. We are going to see isolated thunderstorms this afternoon around Raffrinet and Somerset East. It will be mostly sunny for the western areas of the Western Cape, with Worcester warming to a hot 34 degrees. There is a small chance of drizzle for parts of the south coast, where highs in the mid to upper 20s are expected. Light to moderate winds are also forecast for these coastal areas, and swell heights of the south coast should average around 2 meters, with the swell coming from the southwest. We are going to see isolated thunderstorms for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, and it's going to be pretty hot in most areas, with Appington warming to around 37 degrees. A sunny and warm to hot day is forecast for the west coast, Cape Town warming to around 28 degrees. It will be breezy around Alexander Bay, and we're expecting 2.5 meter swell heights of the west coast, with the swell coming from the southwest. On New Year's Eve, we stay with stormy weather across much of South Africa with warm to hot temperatures. It will be mostly sunny for the western sections.